What's up guys, C-Twan13 here, and in today's video we're going to be unboxing the S Pen Z Fold 5 edition. Alright guys, so what we got here is the S Pen Fold edition, specifically the Galaxy Z Fold 5 edition. The naming scheme on these things has absolutely gotten kind of ridiculous. They could have just said S Pen Fold Edition Slim or something like that, because obviously this one's a lot smaller than the original Fold Edition S Pen. But regardless, let's get into it. My suspicions are that next year the S Pen will be built in to the Z Fold 6, but I guess we'll have to wait and see. So, with that being said, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Now, currently, the only place that you can find this is Samsung.com. You can't find it on Amazon, and I'm not sure about your brick and mortar retailers, but I certainly haven't seen it anywhere else online. So, you can get this for about $50. Honestly, that's an insane price for this thing. If you already have an S Pen Fold Edition, unless you really need that portable ultra slim S Pen, I would just get the standard S Pen Fold Edition until these come down in price. And I am sorry, but this is so difficult to get out. All right, there we go. So, got some documentation talking about how to use this with the case. Let's take a look here. All right, so here's our little portable case, and yeah, there's no denying this thing is very slim. That is a lot more like, you know, the S Pen that you're used to getting with your Note series phones, and of course now the S series. Not quite as small, still a little bit bigger, but it's getting there. So, you know, so I think that lends a lot of credence to my theory that it is going to be built into the phone next year, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see. So, comes to that case. We have, let's see, did we get any extra nibs? We do. So we get extra nibs, and we get the tip remover as well. Let's take a look here real quick. See, the problem with this is once I open this, it's gonna rip, and then I'm never gonna be able to get this back together again. And see, oh, I can just pull it out. I see. Yeah, so that's kind of cool. We at least get some replacement tips there. I don't know if you guys can see that. So that's good to see, considering how much you're paying for this. And let's see, do we get anything else, or is that pretty much it? Yeah, guys, I think that's it. Well, let's hold on. This is an awfully large box for there to be nothing else in here, but yeah, there's nothing else in here, guys. Nothing. So I think that really is it. So let's just do some quick comparisons before we do some tests, but like I said, really this is just going to be a basic unboxing video. All right. So I can't find the case anymore because, well, the sleeve rather, because I used to use this S Pen Fold Edition with cases that had a built-in holder, and so then I kind of just lost the sleeve it came in. But you can see this is your S Pen Fold Edition Z Fold 5 edition. The size comparison, the length, they're actually pretty similar. They're only it's a little bit shorter, but it's the width and the thickness, so the depth of it, that is a lot thinner. I don't know if you can see that. We'll lay them side by side. And of course, the Z Fold 5 edition of the S Pen Fold Edition is flat on two sides, kind of like a carpenter's pencil. So unlike the standard Fold Edition S Pen, which is got only one flat side and it's kind of a small cross-sectional area, so it can still roll pretty well, you're really not going to be rolling this thing away on the table. I don't know if you can see that. It's not going anywhere. And I realize this is not a table, but this is actually more conducive to rolling than a flat table, and it's still not rolling. Whereas your regular S Pen Fold Edition, it will freely roll on this table. I don't know if you can see that. So I think it's a worthy update. I certainly don't think this is a massive upgrade. And, you know, unless you have a need for the change in size for something a lot smaller, your standard S Pen Fold Edition is going to do just fine. So, but yeah, that's pretty much it with the S Pen Fold Edition. Again, you know, I'll save my review for a later video. But yep, if you like the video, be sure to give me a like. If you have any questions, comments, or your own experiences with the S Pen Fold Edition, Z Fold 5 Edition, be sure to leave that in the comments below. And as always, if you want to see more, don't forget to get subscribed.